Hi, welcome to another video about Audi A2. In this video I will get the car to my mechanic so that he will replace the timing belt together with water pump and also auxiliary belt with auxiliary pulley. I already have all the parts here. If you would like to know which parts are, I will put the unboxing section at the end of the video. So here are the parts, and now I will just take the car to the mechanic and we'll do the replacement. Hopefully everything will be okay, and after that I can't wait to get the car to warm up and then put it to the limiter, to rev it to the limiter, because the timing belt, it was changed 13 years ago. Of course, the car was not used for 8 years and it only did 20,000 kilometers, but I was quite afraid that it would not break, so I didn't push it anywhere. So now I just can't wait that this is replaced and I will be able to rev it to the limiter to see how it goes. Let's go. And this is it. The timing belt, water pump and also auxiliary belt with auxiliary pulley were replaced. There was some hiccup with the setting, but everything is resolved now, and I will just show you the parts. I was quite surprised that the parts, the belts and so on were not so in such a bad condition. So let me just show you here. I will just put this like this, and yes, that's it. So here is the auxiliary belt. Even if they were not replaced for 13 years, and I think that the auxiliary belt is still and the pulley is still the factory, it was in quite good condition. So no signs of any. Also this auxiliary belt, as you can see, no signs of cracks, anything, so in quite good condition. And now if I show you the timing belt, so here it is. This one is the smaller one, so no cracks, anything in quite good condition. Maybe on this, the larger one, there, if I really put it like this, there are some cracks, but I don't know if this is normal or not. But anyway, yeah, it was needed to be replaced, so it was replaced. Also these pulleys, they were not in bad condition, they should be still okay, but of course the car did only 20,000 kilometers, so probably that's because of it. And also the water pump, if we check it, it was in perfect condition, so no signs of any leakage anywhere, anything. As you can see, it was really in great condition, so water pump would still be good for probably one service interval. But of course I replaced it since it was already here. So these are all the parts that were replaced. And now, because as I said, I really could wait it so that this timing belt was replaced, and now I will just go and do a quick little drive. First I will warm the engine and then I will rev it to the limiter and show you how this goes. Okay, so the engine is warmed up. It's done 10 kilometers, so it is definitely on the operating temperature. So now we can try it. I will just start slowly. Okay, so this is the first. Now let me put it to the second, and now floor it. And this is the limiter. Third. Again the limiter. Yeah, it was perfect. Great, without any problems. Let me just slow it down and let's try second one again. Okay, so this is in the second, and floor it. Okay, slowly. and now it picks up the pace a little bit, and the limiter. Perfect. This was it. I'm very satisfied with the car. The test was successful without any problems. It really revs. After 4,000 it revs a little bit more, but of course it is not a VTI, a VTEC power from Honda, you know. So I'm satisfied. I can't wait that I will be able to test it on the twisties. I need to do a few more other things so that the car is finished. And on the twisties, it's 930 kilos, should really mean a lot regarding the driving pleasure. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, and of course smile when you drive. And now I'll go and do a little bit more of Italian tune-up. Bye! Okay, let's see what parts I will use. So I've decided to go for the major service for the SKF parts. And of course I also bought the Febi G12 antifreeze, so coolant. This is concentrate, so I need to mix it with the water. And as you can see here, so this is the part number. Where is the part number? Here. So this is what I bought, 1.5 liters. The whole, I will flush complete coolant system, so I will drain everything. So I think that there is 5.8 liters is the whole capacity. So I bought 2. Why? Because I need 3. Because if you mix it with distilled water 1:1, it's until minus 36, which should be more than enough for this climate here. But you can mix it even more. But no, this will be enough. So 1 liter of coolant concentrate and 1 liter of distilled water. So this is what I bought. So there are 2 here. I will just put them away. And of course I bought 5 liters of distilled water just to use it. The rest, 2 liters, I will use it for some other things. And here I also bought coolant temperature, water coolant temperature, because they usually can start to fail, and since I'm replacing everything, I will just replace also this. I'll put all the part numbers in the video description so that you will have it. And now let's go to these things. So this is the timing belt, complete parts, all parts needed. As you can see here, here are all the pulleys that are needed, this and this one. So these are all the pulleys that are needed. And here is of course the timing belt, everything, and all the 2 nuts also here, all 3. So this is it. Let me just put this back on in. And of course here is also the water pump, which I will of course also replace. And here we can see it. This is water pump. And here is also the this rubber seal for water pump. So this is the set for the timing belt. Let me just put this back. I will put everything so here. And I also decided to replace, of course, auxiliary belt, but also this pulley, so that everything will be really fresh. So here is the auxiliary belt, and here you can see this pulley. So I think that it should be still okay, because it has only 110,000 kilometers, but I've decided to replace everything. Although this is quite expensive, I think. I think that this is the half of the price of the timing belt set, or even more. I think even more. So this was it.